The tape, it'll hurt a little bit.
The swelling has increased a little bit last night. And last night was very discomfort.
We'll just check it now. Okay, in the cut hai. Side cut hai. हो गया बेटा, 1 second. Okay. Look on the sides. Look at that now. It's very nice. And it's still a lot of swelling, okay? It'll take a while for it to come down because we've cut the bone, we've moved it, and especially on the left side, we've done more work. It doesn't show like that now. It shows the swelling on both the sides.
But I think this side is still heavy.
Heavier because more surgery has been done there, no?
So will this go down?
It will go down. You want to look at the mirror, you can have a look as well. But it's fine. Hi.
Oh, to me it's a lot of swelling.
There is a lot of swelling. There is, to me.
I think yesterday it was less.
Oh, same thing. They'll take a scan. We will explain to you kaisa hai, what is the position. Then only you can go.
I cannot chew
For another 3-4 days.
3-4 days?
Roti no. Idli types, soft fish is okay,
yeah.
but not chicken types.
Okay.
Chicken. Let's scan it.
When can I start roti? If I ask you.
Roti, give it another 1 week.
Another 1 week? Okay, that's
Even 1 week, 10 days also if you can give
10 days
roti.
is fine.
Yeah. That's what happened.
Then 10 days is good.
I'm a little bit scared of this swelling.
Don't worry. So we will take the scan first. See, 5 days only over. First thing. And secondly, if you look at your face earlier also, see it was a little bit broad. So what happens now when we're doing work? You have to imagine that there is a 1 centimeter swelling. Itna, ek side pe. Ho jata hai itna. Because you're working on the bone, always it swells up.
Yeah.
And here we worked on the muscle also.
Okay.
On the left side.
So the right side you work on the bone too?
Yeah, but not much on the back because she had asymmetry only on the left side.
Yeah.
The left side work is more. That's why she says a little heaviness on the left side.
Yeah, and my lip is very heavy.
And that will all go away. Heaviness is also because it's a little bit numb now.
Yeah.
All normal ho jayega. 100%.